In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a quote on Salesforce 5 minutes. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can remove an unwanted quote safely and confidently. We'll be using Salesforce Lightning, and you'll want to make sure you're signed in with a profile that has permission to delete quotes. Start by logging in to Salesforce. Once you're on the home page, look for the App Launcher, the grid icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click it to open the list of available apps, then choose the Sales app. This puts you in the standard workspace where opportunities and their related quotes live. Inside the Sales app, head to the Opportunities tab. If you don't see the opportunity right away, switch to the correct list view, use the search bar, or apply filters to narrow things down. Open the opportunity that contains the quote you want to remove. On the Opportunities record page, scroll to the Quotes Related list. Here you'll see all quotes associated with this opportunity. Take a moment to verify you've got the right one. Check details like the quote name or number, and if you use a primary or synced quote, confirm that you're not about to remove something that's still in use. Deleting the wrong quote can disrupt pricing or proposal history, so this quick check is worth it. When you've identified the quote, click into it to open the quote record. In the top right area of the page, look for the Action menu, the small drop-down arrow next to buttons like Edit. Click that drop-down and select Delete. Salesforce will display a confirmation dialog to make sure you intend to proceed. Read the confirmation message carefully. If you're certain, click Delete again to confirm. You should see a success toast in the upper right corner, and the quote will be removed from the Opportunities quotes list. If your organization uses the recycle bin, you may be able to restore the quote for a limited time. But it's best to treat this as a permanent action. If you don't see the delete option, it typically means you don't have the necessary permissions or the quote is restricted by configuration, such as being synced. In that case, reach out to your Salesforce administrator for help. That's it. Log in, open the Sales app, go to Opportunities, find the opportunity and its quote, use the dropdown to delete and confirm. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to replay any section as you follow along in your own org.